Today we're going to learn about Kruskal's algorithm on a connected weighted graph. Kruskal's algorithm is used to find the minimum spanning tree. Basically, what Kruskal's algorithm does is always pick the smallest cost edge without creating a cycle. Let's run Kruskal's algorithm on this graph. To start, we pick the smallest edge. In this case, the smallest edge is BC with weight 1. We repeat this process without creating a cycle. Now notice there are 3 edges with weight 2. You can choose any of these edges as long as it's not creating a cycle. I'll pick CE, then DE, and then EF. For the last node, A, we pick AB. Now all nodes are in the minimum spanning tree. I'll replay the whole process with animation. There's no voiceover during the animation, so watch carefully. That's how Kruskal's algorithm works. This is the time complexity. Thank you.